हेलो, what did they say?
I don't know.
मुर्गा आ गया.
Whoa, that's a lot, dude.
Oh, ये कुछ हो
Oh,
गया.
बेटा गया गया खेल हो गया भाई. Shit. अरे आना.
This is just Ali talking to noodles. अरे आना चॉपस्टिक में. मिसो दिया.
मेरे को मिसो दिया, मैंने खाया.
सुशी टिक्का माकी.
तुमको भी यार. What do you mean?
चाशू रामेन.
कुछ नहीं है.
टेम्पुराना.
The one we had नीचे was very पुराना. तुमने क्या साकी पी थी क्या ऊपर? जिया उड़ा दी तुमने. इतना जापान का इंटरव्यू करेंगे, जापानीज फूड. This is like nice. Could you pack one for Richa?
That is so sweet. अली को एक डिश अच्छी लगी और वो रिचा के लिए पैक करवा. Couple goals. Was it like love at first sight for you or?
I think I was a fanboy. Big fan. We weren't taught to listen to him. The only other place you would see anything of this kind is porn. That's shit, man. मुझे anxiety बहुत होती है कभी-कभी because I feel like this.
On this episode of तेरे गली में हम रामेन स्लर्प करेंगे, सुशी रोल करेंगे to actually enjoy the best Japanese food in Mumbai. And my partner in chopsticks is Ali Fazal. बारिश में लेंगे ड्राइव का मजा in this bold and sleek Honda Elevate Signature Black Edition. Let's go. तो चलो इस ड्राइव को थोड़ी और फिल्मी बनाते हैं. मस्त म्यूजिक लगाते हैं और होंडा की 7 कलर रिदमिक एम्बिएंट लाइटिंग शुरू करते हैं और एकदम भौकाल एम्बिएंट सेट करते हैं अली के लिए. हेलो अली, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. I'm good.
बड़े
How are
टाइम
you?
बाद मिल रहे हो.
Yeah.
आज हम मिशन से निकले हैं.
I'm very glad you remembered. Yeah, this
I
is amazing.
remembered, yeah. So last time Ali mentioned that he loves ramen and sushi. तो आज हम दोनों मुंबई में जो हमें पता है वहाँ पे थोड़े रामेन और सुशी ट्राई करने वाले. सबसे पहले शुरू करेंगे विद द matcha drink. Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I think we're ready.
क्या लोगे अली?
I think I'll have something matcha,
Matcha?
right? Like
But
we should start with that.
But have you been to Japan?
No, Rich has been. I've not been.
Oh, you've
Actually,
not.
I want to go.
And I have been to Japan and I'm
Yeah.
telling you like the way this restaurant is designed, it's pretty much like this.
Oh, nice.
And they're all like these small joints. We are excited. So एक matcha.
Strawberry iced matcha. Oh.
Strawberry iced matcha. I don't
उसमें
mind
शक्कर
that.
बहुत होता है.
हाँ, I don't mind that.
What is sencha? Yeah? Can I get that?
There is also sake. Sake भी है आपके पास? That will be a good start.
Maybe a good end also.
A good end, yeah. So sake is actually Japanese beer. But हम उससे नहीं शुरुआत कर रहे हैं. हम शुरुआत कर रहे हैं कॉफी से.
Yeah.
और अभी तुम पापा बन गए हो. How has life changed?
Yeah, of course. I mean, थोड़ा तो सबका
हाँ.
मिल जाता है routine. It's just been a very blessed,
How old is your
like
baby
10,
now?
11 months, 10 months.
And we are in Bandra. I know this place is very close to you. तो आपका जो पुराना घर था, वो यही है?
Down the road, yeah.
यही है?
Yeah.
जा सकते हैं?
We can see it on the way, yeah.
Okay. चलो लेट्स गो, निकलते हैं. मुंबई में जापानीज फूड की तलाश शुरू हो रही है. Cheers.
एक फोटो ले लें यहाँ पे with the matcha.
Hmm.
तो माचा में इतना कर रहे हो तुम लोग, वहाँ क्या होगा?
You're comfortable, Ali?
Yeah. Ocean.
Yeah.
God, I miss this side of Bandra. Yeah.
Bandra is healing.
But
हर
I
जगह
think it is
काम
always healing. It is always. मुझे लगता है कि झगड़ा हुआ है कहीं.
I know.
Right.
Right? यहाँ है
Yeah.
आपका घर.
Yeah.
कितने साल रहे बांद्रा में?
Man, 15 years.
Really? It's been that long?
Yeah.
And your house is so close to the beach.
Yeah. I mean, it's a very वो अलग ही है.
हाँ.
Also now with the family and everything, like you don't need much outside.
Yeah.
That's left. So Bandra, by the way, I've been in different spots.
Okay.
But the last one
Hmm.
was this building. It's an old building,
Right.
right opposite the park.
Acha. So you were dating Richa during the COVID period.
Yeah.
Like, was it like love at first sight for you, or?
I think I was a fanboy, big time,
Oh,
big
okay.
fan. I'd not seen this kind of an actor. We met at for Grey, and then after that, slowly we got close, we got friendly. It's very organic, very different. Sometimes love is like it's usually around you, and then there's this one day where it just hits you like a lightning. You're like, holy shit, this was right here. This is. Why did I waste time?
Yeah. Do you get out of the city, go for a long drive or anything like that? Yeah.
I go to town a lot. I mean, that's the max I would do now because I literally start feeling homesick. I'm like, okay, now I'm on a schedule, right?
Are you serious? मतलब जुहू से?
नहीं वो ये नहीं है. वो now because my daughter is here,
Oh,
so
right.
she's on a sked. So I can't go out for really long on my own,
Yeah.
because we're always on her sked now. Then I like sports. I like chilling with friends. We have different places. जैसे हिल रोड पे है Mount Mary steps and all. I still go there. We hang sometimes,
Okay.
near Mount Mary Church.
Acha. You still do that though?
I still sometimes, just even when I'm alone, I'll just go and sit on my own.
It's
sometimes.
interesting how you both talk about being alone and doing things, even though you guys are a couple. Last time मेरी रिचा से जब बात हुई, she said she still goes for her solo trips.
We do that.
Yeah.
I think it's important, right? Like, because we are such strong individuals, I feel that is necessary. Yeah, we don't like sort of seeping in and out of like our worlds into each other's and our problems and stuff. That we do. We share.
Yeah.
We are actors, so we are
Right.
bound to like talk to each other about things.
But great body of work, Ari. Bollywood, Hollywood, now South also. And I'm sure हमें तो सब एकदम hunky dory अच्छा सा लगता है. But you've had your own share of challenges. But Honda Elevate Signature Black Edition celebrates the journeys of those who push their boundaries और अंधेरे में भी अपनी चमक से शाइन करते हैं. So let's move on to a very special segment called Shine in Black. तो अभी आपको कितने साल हो गए in the industry?
15 years?
15 years?
14 years, yeah. 14 years, yeah.
Wow. What do you think has been the boldest step you've taken in this career?
Mirzapur, in fact, at the time that I took it, everybody was like, don't, we don't know that market. What is it?
Doing like a series. Like basically moving from films to.
Yeah, I
Okay.
just loved the story, and I'd seen. I think that time I'd just started my Hollywood.
Yeah.
Few things there.
Hmm.
So I'd seen what was working on the other side, and
Okay.
it was very rooted. It was a very grounded story,
And it did so well, yeah.
And it did well. An actor's life is filled with bold steps. The other option of that not bold step is a rejection.
Don't you think Mirzapur was really the shine in
Yeah.
black moment?
So
Because
then
I
season
think
2, it became
Yeah.
like onwards. It was just like mad. It just reached every nook and corner. I mean, even the NRI world of
Yeah.
India, outside India, which is
Yeah.
actually one of the biggest populations of its kind, I think.
yeah.
That-
और 4 आ रही है मिर्जापुर 4 का.
हमारी film
कब
आ रही है
आ रही?
actually. We're working on the film now,
Oh.
which is going to be a first of its kind in India. A show turning into a film.
They must be here. थोड़ा आगे I think maybe 100 meters.
There.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, this is it. Okay. Oh, and Mirai. Okay.
It's right here. Have you built the appetite? भूख लगी है अब?
Yeah, man. I'll eat.
Yes. कुछ खाया सुबह से अभी?
नहीं तो रात से नहीं खाया.
अच्छा. चलो. What did they say?
I don't know.
मुर्गा आ गया
Yeah.
हमारे लिए. Okay, sorry. What did you say?
Rashamase.
What does that mean?
Welcome in Japanese.
Welcome. Okay, we've been welcomed in a very traditional and an authentic Japanese style. We have to remove our shoes.
Oh my god, sushi.
Oh my God,
Oh my
soup.
god, sushi. Inside the cream cheese avocado.
हाँ.
Outside 3 type of fish.
और हम आपके लिए ये भी लाए हैं एक्स्ट्रा. आपको कुकिंग पसंद है
ये मैं
ना?
ले जाऊंगा सर.
पर इसमें हम बनाने वाले हैं जापानीज हॉट पॉट.
इतना फैंसी जगह
हाँ.
आके हम यहाँ भी कुकिंग भी हम ही करेंगे. So I just added the wasabi to the soy sauce, and I think it's the easiest way to kind of just
बट
mix it up.
वसाबी मतलब अलग ही लेवल पर हिट करता है.
No, it's not spicy. It hits you. Ching.
Can you have just the wasabi?
No, are you kidding me?
Okay guys, so that's how you have it.
Yeah.
सोया सॉस में थोड़ा सा वसाबी मिक्स कर लो.
मैं एक पहला बाइट लेता हूँ. That's good, dude.
It's good.
यहाँ हम वो वाला कर रहे हैं कि वो क्योंकि फैंसी है इसलिए अच्छा लगना चाहिए. बट कभी दोस्त के साथ गई हो ऐसी
हाँ.
फैंसी जगह और इतना
I
सा
know.
मिला. वाओ यार, वाओ. यही था मेन कोर्स.
मैं कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी आपको. अगर आपने मुझे सच्चे जवाब नहीं दिए या स्किप करना है तो यू हैव टू हैव a little bit of wasabi.
Okay, done.
What's the last lie you told and did you get caught?
No, I did not get caught. The lie I said was that the film was very good.
अब बताना पड़ेगा.
नहीं.
बताना.
Answer the question. Oh wow,
क्रिस्पी
tempura.
सा कुछ आ रहा है. टेम्पुरा.
Actually, आजकल पकौड़ों का मौसम आने वाला है.
तो ये जापानीज पकोड़ा. Have you ever stalked someone's profile way too much and accidentally liked a really old post? हुआ है ऐसा?
I have.
हाँ.
Yes, yes. Lady Gaga. But there's a reason for it.
तो आप रीजन नहीं बताओगे आप. We need to know लेडी गागा और अली फजल के बीच में क्या इंटरेक्शन हुआ है इंस्टाग्राम के DMs में. One thing you pretend to enjoy, but you cannot stand at all.
So many people's company.
आप घर पर कुकिंग करते हो?
कभी कभार. Whenever we have time, like both of us like cooking.
Richa also likes cooking. She said she doesn't enjoy it as much as you do.
Yeah.
But ऐसे रिचा ने कुछ बनाया और आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा.
So I think she tried to make some sweet dish once, which went horribly wrong. And this was the time when we were shooting. I think फुकरे की पूरी टीम आई थी उसके घर. हाँ, उसने बुलाया था, इनवाइट किया था. पता नहीं क्या जेलो वेलो क्या था वो. जेलो दूर दूर तक नहीं था, कुछ ऐसा कुछ monster type था. I think I said also in some nice, most romantic way I must have.
Ever faked a call or a message to just get out of a situation?
Oh yes, मैं भागता हूँ from large crowds. Just big spaces where a lot of people are there, people you don't know, or large big parties. थोड़े time तक ठीक रहता है. Then you're like, then the call comes. We have code words also.
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, sign.
कैसे? You won't
Tell
tell.
code words like hand gestures. There's a sign language also. Yeah.
I'm going to see where your manager is. और आप अगर उससे कुछ इशारा कर रहे हैं.
नहीं वो तो यहाँ तो मैं सीधा बोल दूंगा भाई हो गया.
Sticky rice with chicken. And this is Shivas.
Shivas तो I like. Oh my god.
Good?
This is so good. think it's fish. He said, he brought it and he said it's Shiva's something.
It must be sea bass, not Shivas. क्या हो रहा है आप? शिवास सुन रहे हैं?
मूड में आ रहे हैं हम.
अच्छा.
Whoa, that's a lot, dude.
ये रामेन का बड़ा भाई है. अच्छा, मैं आपको कुछ ऑप्शंस देती हूँ. बताओ what do you like? Do you like sushi more or ramen?
Ramen.
Soy sauce or wasabi?
Wasabi in soy sauce.
Chopsticks or spoon and fork?
Chopsticks.
चलो ट्रिक बता दो आज.
You know, I just find the fulcrum and try to, you know.
Yeah, how I do it, okay? It could be wrong. Place the chopstick here and on this finger like this, okay?
Oh.
And then this. Basically first इसको उसका height adjust करना है. दोनों same होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
ठीक है? फिर यहाँ से ऐसे
Yeah.
ऐसे लॉक कर दिया और ये and then just move your forefinger.
Oh,
अब
nice.
जो अब हो नहीं रहा. अब मैं आपको देसी जुगाड़ बताऊंगी इसका, ठीक है? टिश्यू पेपर लो,
Okay.
उसको ऐसे करो आप, then you just keep rolling it. अब हो गया.
Oh.
अब नहीं गिरेगा ना?
Pretty smart,
Yeah.
actually. Yeah, you could do it like you can just wrap it nicely.
तो
And you're
ज़्यादा
just
soft
pressing.
हो गया. Yeah, I'm just pressing it. Udon noodles और soba noodles.
Udon. Um,
ओ ये कुछ हो गया.
oh, बड़ा. गया खेल हो गया भाई.
These like really thin noodles.
These are the soba ones. नहीं? Glass.
Glass noodles. Thank you.
Oh. Oh.
How's it?
Dude, this is like nice. You want to have a bite?
Yeah, I'll have a bite. Hmm. It's spicy.
Oh, shit. अरे आना.
अरे आना. This is just Ali talking to noodles. अरे आना chopstick में.
You have a veg version of this? Oh man, could you pack one for Richa?
That is so sweet. अली को एक डिश अच्छी लगी और वो रिचा के लिए वेज वर्जन पैक करवा रहे हैं. How sweet. Couple goals. You remember you have to rate all of these dishes, no?
This is number 1 right now.
Hmm.
This is number 2.
Okay.
Number 3.
Okay.
This हो गया. Too much mayo.
आपको पता है जापान में many young people are choosing to stay single and not get married. The government is actually giving them छुट्टी कि जाओ जाके बच्चे पैदा करो क्योंकि population कम हो
तो
गई.
इसलिए तो tourism खुल रहा है इतना. They're opening like hardcore. People are just lonely, I think. Social awkwardness can reach levels of just closing yourself up and then saying, no, I'm fine with it. You know, this is my reality. And ego इतना आ जाता है कि then you just shut off because you are so scared of jumping into the game of love. Again, the word rejection comes in, you know, and that word is heavy. It is the heaviest thing. I say bar that actors, artists, very vulnerable people because we face that same word so many times in our lives.
Was it a different world when you came to Mumbai and Xavier's? Or?
Yeah, it was a bit of a cultural shock. Like, मतलब एक तो धोखा पहले लगा था
क्यों?
क्योंकि बम्बई में क्लास 11-12th में लोग सिविल क्लोथ्स पहन रहे होते हैं. कॉलेज बोलते हैं उसे.
हाँ.
मतलब मुझे इतना गुस्सा आया, मुझे लगा मेरे साथ धोखा हुआ है.
आप अपनी बेटी को कोविड में डालेंगे या ओनली गर्ल्स या बॉयज स्कूल में?
I don't know. I'm still trying to understand the school systems. पता नहीं वो या
हाँ, but did you
बहुत
think
लंबा कॉन्वर्सेशन है वो, उस पे फिर जाएंगे. बहुत डीप चला जाऊंगा मैं.
नहीं, but don't you think like there's trouble just adjusting to an opposite gender, or there's curiosity, or there is, you know, there's so many questions if you've not been like, and even if you don't have a sister at home,
क्योंकि हमारे सेक्स एजुकेशन नहीं होती है.
only boys school में you're saying sex education
भी.
नहीं होती है.
कायदे से होती नहीं है. I think I had a very deep conversation about not just this with Gillian Anderson, and we were discussing this. Like, we weren't taught to listen to women. you know, as men. That was one of the big topics. The only other place you would see anything of this kind is porn. Like that's shit, man. The change will happen there only. School से ही बदलेगा पूरा.
हाँ.
Education is the key. Period.
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर हम चाहे जितना चिल्लाते रहें.
नेक्स्ट जगह चले. और जगह है ना? बनानी पड़ेगी. ओके, लेट्स गो. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं हॉलीवुड बॉलीवुड में क्या डिफरेंस लगता है आपको?
मार्केट अब खुल रहा है, so you know the world is getting smaller, and I think it's about time that difference between Hollywood Bollywood gets merged.
What do you enjoy? आपको कहाँ मजा आता है?
मुझे तो हर जगह का मजा आता है. मतलब ये मेरा दिल यहाँ अटका हुआ है क्योंकि ये अपना वो है, अपनी कहानियां हैं यहाँ पे.
Right.
So मुझे वो सुनाने में बड़ा मजा आता है. Because we are also lovers of world cinema, ना.
Yeah.
When you get that chance, then I'm like, okay, I can share those notes on a world stage.
Yeah.
Then the game is next level.
And Ali, don't you think that it's a very competitive space to be in as well? And of course, आप risk तो लेते हैं, but is there anything that you do to constantly stay ahead?
I just try to do as much work as I can. I see roughly where I might land in the next few months or years, but that's it.
But it doesn't get you any insecure or let me have like a
No,
contingency plan?
मुझे anxiety बहुत होती है कभी-कभी because I feel like there's so much to do. There's so much we can do, so much I want to do. And I'm not able to do that in the given time. In a way, it's a good problem, but in a way, it's also like maybe it's a sign that I have to focus on less things.
Right.
So that really bothers me sometimes. Like मेरा काम आधा बढ़ जाता है इंडिया में, तो a lot of people get very angry क्योंकि मैं आधा वहाँ कर रहा हूँ और वहाँ पे फिर मैं उतना तवज्जो दे नहीं पाता हूँ. It's like a constant battle which I'm trying to find a good balance.
But this is a good problem to
It's
have.
a very good problem. Which is I'm not complaining.
Yeah.
But sometimes एक संतुलन हिल जाता है कि अच्छा बीच में फिर personal life takes a hit. And when that takes a hit, then it's like that's sad. That's not nice.
Yeah. But does it get easier because you know your partner is in the same industry? So do you think she understands the space a lot more than anybody who's not from the industry would?
Yeah, of course. That totally helps.
तो यहाँ पर एक है जय सैंडविच, वेरी पॉपुलर. मैं नेशनल कॉलेज की हूँ, इसीलिए यहाँ के सारे हैंग आउट स्पॉट्स मुझे पता है.
ओह, ये अब बताया.
जय हिंद से लेके जय जवान तक. तो जय जवान, if you like seafood, biryani and even their seafood.
When it first came, yeah.
Now
I don't know how it is.
Yeah.
When Jai Jawan came, it was like a blessing. Finally, there was a place with biryani. This Jai sandwich.
Jai sandwich. They have this really good cheese chili toast.
Really?
Yeah, it's amazing. Osaka, Tokyo, and one of the most beautiful places in the world is Kyoto. When you go to Kyoto, you feel like you've been transported to a different world. मतलब ऐसा तो 100 साल पहले चले गए हो और वैसी ही दुनिया उनकी जो बनी हुई है. It's beautiful. Like even the homes there. बेबी का नाम क्या है? It starts with Z, right?
Yes.
Zunera. What does that mean?
I mean, it has like 2-3 stories to it, but it means a flower of paradise.
Wow, but sounds very nice. Zunera.
Yeah. We keep calling her Zuni.
Zuni. आ गया Karaku also. Okay, round number 2, Ali. अब हम आ गए हैं कोराकू. राउंड नंबर 2.
मुझे लग रहा है 5 राउंड नीचे ही हो गए यार. ओह, आपकी खुराको है खाने की?
है खुराक. गुड वन. अभी आपने ऊपर कौन सी डिशेस खाई? नाम याद है सब डिशेस के?
Well, we had sushi. 2 kinds of sushis. We had one crispy sushi, then the other one was laced with some 3 different types of fish.
Mayonnaise also, lots of mayonnaise.
Mayo, I don't know how people have mayo, but like okay, mayo, but good stuff. And tempura, which is okay, not very good. The udon noodles were amazing.
Hot pot.
The hot pot. Yeah, that was also very nice.
Now we have some more dishes. पर पहले मैं कुछ डिशेस का नाम लूंगी, आपको मुझे बताना है ये डिश एग्जिस्ट करती भी है या नहीं. ओकोनोमियाकी.
That's made up.
It's real.
Oh shit.
और आज हम खाएंगे वो okonomiyaki. It's actually a nice savory pancake.
Oh,
It's amazing. And if you go to Japan, this is one thing that's going to come very handy. Miso dilla.
yeah, it's yeah, that's true. Miso dilla is
Okay, miso diya. Miso diya.
that's correct. मेरे को मिसो दिया, मैंने खाया.
It's made up.
Thanks. Even
Yeah.
after that.
ये बताओ अभी. Takoyaki.
Yes.
You're right.
Yeah.
चलो पहला कोई सही नाम गेस किया. Sushi tikka maki.
तो क्या कर रही हो यार? ये सही नहीं हो सकता. ये नहीं हो सकता यार.
माकी तो है ना उनका.
हाँ बट दूसरा क्या बोला तुमने?
Sushi tikka maki.
तुमको भी यार. What do you mean? Genuine है? नहीं made up. God.
Unagi don.
नहीं, udon होता है यार.
है यार क्या? Unagi don. It's grilled eel over rice. It's a Japanese delicacy.
I have a disadvantage. Okay, मैं गया नहीं हूँ जापान.
Okay.
You've been to like Kyoto,
Yeah.
Kyoto.
Kyoto. Tempurana.
The one we had Nietzsche was very purana. That was not a tempura.
Chashu ramen.
Fuck, कुछ नहीं है. कुछ भी
अरे है?
है.
हाँ. Ramen topped with slices of braised pork belly. Wasabi churi.
This is there.
खाली नहीं है.
Chimichurri.
चिमिचुरी है. वसाबी चूरी नहीं
अब
है.
आंध्रा में मिल जाएगा वसाबी चूरी. I guarantee you. इतने fusions.
Sushi za.
What is some gangster sushi like yakuza? नहीं है. गलत है.
You're right.
Okay, thanks.
चल पहला लास्ट वाला आकर सही बताया कि नहीं है.
जिया उड़ा दी तुमने. इतना जापान का इंटरव्यू करेंगे जापानीज फूड एक झटके में. Like it's like a crime scene right now.
जापान में ना एक कॉन्सेप्ट है. इसका नाम है इकागाई. Have you heard of ikigai before?
Yes. I think the art of being able to join things that are broken is that's ikigai?
No.
Shit, man, I'm confusing two different.
No, it's not even art.
No,
of
it's
living.
not. It's
It's
a way of life.
It's the way of
It's a way
life.
of life. But there's a very nice word for the things that are broken and you join them.
Jigsaw.
तुमने साकी पी थी क्या ऊपर? हमारे यहाँ बहुत जगह बोले जाते हैं अरे अशुभ है इसको टूटी चीज नहीं रहनी चाहिए.
हाँ.
उनका उल्टा है. उनका टूटी चीज को जोड़ के वापस रखना बनाना. It is a word for it.
Oh.
And it's considered very lucky.
Yeah,
So, like,
basically
broken
they don't
vases,
discard things.
Yeah, you put it back
You
together.
fix it.
Exactly.
Basically, you don't discard broken things. आप fix
Yeah.
करते हैं.
Yeah.
रिश्तों की तरह. कभी छोड़ते नहीं है.
That's philosophy for you.
तो मुझे तो इकागाई के बारे में ही पढ़कर आई थी.
Okay.
तो उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. So there are 4 things to it. Okay, what you love,
Yeah.
what are you good at, what does the world need, and how can you make money out of it. And that's how you drive what is your purpose of life. If I may ask you, have you identified what is your purpose of life?
I think half my work requires me to contemplate. And contemplation is a part of meditation and riyaz for us as actors. I think we're all creators essentially. And the purpose is that in this blip in the universe where so many things are happening, when you create, because we are given that power to create, it could be anything. Like you create this moment, you
Yeah.
create food, you cook food, you create art or whatever. We've been given that power, right, to be able to create, and that comes with love. And sometimes that is the purpose we have to agree upon, because otherwise it's never ending.
Yeah.
Humans are like, we are riddled with desire.
So which role of yours has actually made you feel magical? Like you have managed to create an impact.
I think one of those scenes was in Mirzapur. There was a scene where I'm sitting on a bed and Shweta Tripathi, she's standing and I'm talking to her. I think it's season 2. And I don't know what happened. Like I could literally see myself standing behind the camera and watching me only. And it was so meditative. Like there were 100 people on set, but it didn't matter. I couldn't hear anything. It was just divine. Yeah. Like Victoria and Abdul पे हुआ था एक moment था.
So we have ramen and we have chicken katsu curry.
Oh, so good.
How is it? Good?
Dude, it's actually good. You want to try?
Yeah. Japanese लोगों को privacy इतनी पसंद है. That's why they have like.
Yeah.
तो बुलाते कैसे हैं? Oh, thank you.
बुलाते कैसे?
मतलब how do we call them if we need something?
Oh, knock on wood. I think she's being rude.
वो तो बाजू वाला.
Japanese okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki.
Yeah.
And this is a vegetarian, right?
Yes, vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
That is a word.
These are like
So this is what I was telling you. And of course, Richa will love this because this is vegetarian. और ये पता है actually cabbage का बहुत सारा इसमें filling है. Very good actually. You should try it.
What did you learn in Ikigai?
So I love eating and traveling.
Yeah.
What am I good at? I'm good at storytelling. So if it is around food, what does the world need? So maybe giving information
Yeah.
and entertainment as
Yeah.
I'm giving that. And how do I make money out of it?
Nice.
So I am making money out of it, you know. So, through YouTube videos, through brand sponsorship.
Yeah.
And I feel like all of these things coming together sort of makes my purpose in life, which is my ikigai. Now, I don't know, when you talk about purpose, it's always about the world, wanting to
Your
do
purpose,
something.
your-
This is
yeah,
my purpose,
yeah.
but I think along the journey, ये हो रहा है, अपने आप ही हो रहा है.
I think it's amazing if you realize that, right?
Yeah.
Like, you know,
Yeah.
at least in
Yeah.
this time and space, like this is where
Yes.
you're heading. But what if, like, technology suddenly there's an ice age on technology happens? Like YouTube and all this stuff goes out. What happens? It's scary, right?
It's scary, yeah. So you asked अगर YouTube now, something like that happened, right? जब TikTok एकदम से ban हो गया.
Exactly. Like, what's the next version, man, that can secure your creation?
We have thought of that already, but I'm not
Yeah.
saying that everybody else has. But at least Curly Tales, we have our own app.
Nice.
Okay, so that's our own ecosystem where we continue to create our content
Nice.
and put out our content. So anybody, we'll still have a platform to reach out to people. Like you look at these OTT platforms like Amazon or Netflix, right? They're all on
Yeah.
television today. These are all this, even Curly Tales app can be on television where you can still consume content which is only around food and travel.
Nice.
Yeah.
Like, would you
So
ever
that's
be
what-
open to having a festival? Like a physical festival?
We do that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
We've
nice.
done like Pani Puri festival, Momo and Maggie festival, and then we
Yeah.
have like 15 to 20 types of different Pani Puris.
Like
all coming
physically?
in.
Where?
Physically, yeah. We've done it at malls.
Ah.
Lots of malls. And you won't believe हमने एक दिन में कितनी प्लेट पानी पूरी बेची होगी.
Nice.
So these are like different vendors coming together.
Yeah.
And
But that's the point. Like,
yeah.
people coming together
Yeah,
and like.
and bonding over food or even
Yeah.
one particular dish.
It's an amazing platform you guys have.
But there's this other concept called minimalism.
You know, like, we just met
Friend of
person
yours,
upstairs,
yeah.
and I was telling him, like, that's the eventuality. That's the final goal in life. To be able to reach a point where you can just declutter. And I don't mean physically,
Yeah.
I mean mentally, physically, every way possible. So for me, the goal, and hopefully my partner, is to be able to reach a point where, you just need what you need. Like, literally, खाने के टाइम पे उतना खाना जाए, काम के टाइम आप काम करें, and to be able to eat bread, and then just get lost in the, that's where I want to reach.
Or what about like materialistic things? Are you like a hoarder, like buying lots
I
of?
was before, but that's also because I've lived off suitcases all my life, like a large part of my life. Sorry, I used to travel a lot. घर पे थे नहीं, तो for me it was always about बटोर के चलो.
So you always felt like मुझे ज़्यादा
psychologically I had that till few years ago. You would never see me without a bag. In fact, today also that backpack is still there. This is not on me now.
Yeah.
Because अब थोड़ा privilege है, थोड़ा relaxing life है.
Hmm.
But it's still there. My mindset is the same, that in case I fall off the planet, there's going to be, like, that shit can save me. There'll be everything in it.
I want to know what all is there in your backpack.
There'll always be a book to read.
Yeah.
There'll be a charger. there'll be like a Swiss knife, there'll be like
Swiss knife?
yeah,
Okay.
मतलब you know that multi-purpose वाला.
मतलब जुहू से बैंड्रा आने के लिए भी आपने स्विस नाइफ रखी है?
वो पड़ा हुआ है. वॉच है, फिर पेपर पेन रहेगा, स्टेशनरी है. My wallet is inside that. Some change apart from the wallet in case I get mugged.
Oh my God.
And एक जगह ठुसा हुआ एक नोट भी है. क्योंकि सिक्कों से कुछ होता नहीं
I
है.
know.
तो
इसमें तो एक वीडियो करना है. What's in my bag featuring Ali Fazil.
We used to do a lot of expedition school में, right? So
अच्छा.
हम हिमालय में मतलब रेंज में निकल जाते थे. नाग टिब्बा हो गया, गंगोत्री हो गई, वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स हो गया, वासुकी ताल which is above Kedarnath. We've climbed that.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. I think one of my near-death experiences have happened there. केदारनाथ के ऊपर वो नहीं है, ट्रैक्स नहीं है.
हाँ.
वहां तक तो सभी जाते हैं सिर्फ.
Correct.
वासुकी ताल इज ऑन टॉप. वहाँ वेजिटेशन भी नहीं है, रॉकी है. सो वी गॉट वेरी अट्रैक्टेड बिकॉज हम पहुंचे तो सब टाइम पे चल रहा था. जब पीक पे पहुंचे तो नीचे देखा ऑन द अदर साइड देयर वाज दिस ब्यूटीफुल ग्रीन लेक एट दैट हाइट. तो ऑब्वियसली जी चाहा कि यार थोड़ा सा डिप रह गया है, ऊपर पार करके लेक तक चले जाते हैं. गए, वापस आ रहे हैं एंड वो 1 घंटे का खेल होता है. 3-4 बजे तक हेल शुरू हो गई. And it started like that's the worst time, you know.
Yeah.
We had to come back, and coming back is the hardest. Always, trekkers will always tell you
Yeah.
you have to be most safe while
I
you're coming
know.
down.
और नीज में भी बहुत दर्द होता है. मेरी नीज में होता है.
इधर ही ऐड आना चाहिए, right? Osteopain. नहीं. But तो उसमें मेरा हाथ फिसला था. It was a very वो हमेशा मूवी नहीं थी, वो वाला शॉट हुआ था मेरे दोस्त के साथ.
Really? Then your friend held your hand. and-
Literally in that moment, so I'm like this, ये rock, because it was hailing, it became slippery. The rocks became slippery.
Yeah.
सच से गिरा, and he just held my hand.
तो ये सब एक्टर बनने से पहले हुआ था या?
सब पहले.
सब पहले.
स्कूल में थे. बट बहुत ठंड थी उसमें, और बहुत फनी एक वाकया हुआ था. हम लोग ना ग्रुप में जाते थे, तो एक बंदा बाथरूम गया था, तो बाथरूम में वो जेट होते थे, जेट्स
हाँ.
on the seat. There used to be this
हाँ. Oh,
jets.
okay. Yeah, I get it.
Not the showers, the jet. I just remember this man screaming at the top of his voice like, ah! And we thought, what happened? Something happened. Cut to, I'll just tell you what we saw is literally a frozen.
Oh, because it was so cold.
It just froze, man. So imagine your ass getting like just straight like. He'll kill me if this goes on. But
तो अभी आप खा नहीं रहे, क्या हुआ?
मैंने खा लिया है बहुत. ये दूसरा बोल है ना? ये छाप देना. ये बोल एक ले लिया है, ये भी बहुत अच्छा था.
पता है एक जापान में एक और कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसको बोलते हैं
क्या?
हरा हाचिबू. इसका मतलब है नहीं, ये जेन्युइन है.
अच्छा.
ये जेन्युइन है.
अच्छा.
अभी आप डाउट कर रहे हो मुझ पर.
हाँ.
अरे
What the hell? अब बोलोगी उसका क्या मतलब है, तो मतलब भी अभी बना दोगी तो I'll just say yes.
नहीं.
खाना सब ठूसना
देखो,
चाहिए.
नहीं, हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स सब बहुत वेल रेड है, उन्हें
Okay,
पता
okay.
चलेगा. इसका मतलब है that Japanese only eat till they are 80% full. तो
वो तो हमें भी बचपन से सिखाया गया है.
पर
There's
हम
nothing
तो
Japanese
120
about it.
करते हैं.
हमें तो बचपन से my नानी would always be like, नहीं इतना नहीं, always eat less than what your appetite.
Really?
Yeah.
मेरी नानी तो मुझे कहती और खा ले. But Ali, it's been wonderful talking to you. ये जापानीज खाकर थोड़ी आपको भी जापानीज सिखाई मैंने.
Yeah.
कुछ सही कुछ गलत वाला मत मांग लेना जाके.
अब मेरा
वहाँ पे
मजाक बन चुका है. अगर जापान में मेरी एंट्री बैन हुई ना, I swear to you, dude.
No, don't blame us.
मैं तो मतलब हम किसी भी चीज पे हंस रहा हूँ, बोलेंगे वहाँ पे ये हंसे थे तुम. आजकल यही होता है ना,
I know, हंसना
निकाल
भी
लेते हैं
allow
सोशल मीडिया. 2 साल पहले आपने ना ये कहा था, कैंसिल्ड.
नहीं, इस इंटरव्यू में कोई किसी को कैंसिल नहीं करेगा, ठीक है? मुझे भी नहीं. चलो, वो क्या था चूरी वाला?
माँ की चूरी नहीं.